Troy-Bilt tb4bp 4-cycle blower won't run a full throttle with choke-off, has new carb, new fuel filter, new gas, clean spark arrestor. Idles fine.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Troy-Bilt tool or machine? How old is it?
Today, maybe 10 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Troy-Bilt? What have you tried so far?
3 months, read up to first paragraph.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you installed a new carburetor and it still won't run at full throttle. Is that correct?
That is correct. I do not want a phone call.
This is a common issue on these trimmers. It's most likely the valves need to be adjusted.
How do I adjust valves?
Remove the valve cover off the top of the engine and set the piston at top dead center. Then heat the valves at 0.010 with a set of feeler gauges. https://www.manual/slib.com/manual/500324/Troy-Bilt tb4bp.html. Page equals 12 manual. Page 12 and 13 in this link will guide you through it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.